Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I will show you how to clear website data in Safari on a Mac. This can help fix loading issues, free up storage, and improve privacy. So let's get started. Step 1, first, open up Safari on your Mac, which I already have right here. Step 2, in the menu bar, click Safari, then select Settings. Step 3, at the top of the Settings window, click Privacy. Step 4, click Manage Website Data. Step 5, here you can select a specific website and click Remove, or click Remove All to clear data for all websites. For the sake of this video, we're just going to remove all. Step 6, click Remove Now to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully cleared website data in Safari on Mac. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.